Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you're watching, thank you for tuning in. I'm Saul, your favorite real estate aficionado and self-proclaimed Persian redneck, and I am here to take you through our newest project, the Meeker Project, out here in Sun City, Arizona. Why don't you guys come on in and I'll take you through. All right, so welcome inside the Meeker Project. This project took a couple of months to complete, but we did some heavy lifting and we really revamped the floor plan of this house. So since this property is in Sun City, a lot of the homes here are older, right? So they have older design cues. So one of the biggest things we did to improve the flow of this house was knock down this wall. We completely opened up the floor plan, right? And this house in particular is really cool because we have an Arizona room so you can chill out there when the weather's nice. It's screened off so you don't have to worry about mosquitoes or other bugs bothering you when the weather is oh so perfect. Outside of that, the entire home has been revamped, new fixtures, new appliances, faucets, sinks, countertops, cabinetry. Everything is brand spanking new. You guys are gonna see we have some awesome subway tile, very similar to our other projects throughout Arizona in the bathrooms and in the kitchen. We have some awesome 3x12 subway tile here in particular, backed with white grout. We have awesome black fixtures, and yeah, I guess you guys are just gonna have to walk around and take a peek to see what we've done.